Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thanks for stopping by. Today I have a Temu haul for you. I think that's what it's called. Temu reached out to me and offered to send me some things for free. I did receive all these things for free. Just in order to do this video, show you some different things, and yeah, so let's get into this. I've thrown in a couple things I purchased on my own. I have already made a Temu order on my own and was happy with the things, but they're scattered around the house. I didn't do a haul of that, so, but there was a couple of things that was just laying close by, and I threw them in the bag here to go with this haul. So let me start with those couple of things. I got a water bottle. This is just a plain old water bottle. There we go. Just a simple. It's supposed to have a really good mist on it. I hope so. I'm going to use this with a project, something down the road that I am not ready for right now, but this will go with a project that I'm going to be working on, and I will show you guys what I'm doing. Another thing is I got these pair of earrings on my own. Let's see. And they're not falling apart. I started to say they're falling apart. They're not falling apart. One has just come undone. This is what they look like. This one came unhooked and the little heart came off. So I'm going to put the heart back on. So you could wear them with or without the heart part dangling. There we go. Just like that. So there they are. I'll have my face. Those are cute. Those are not bad. I don't remember pricing. I don't remember what the price of any of these things. Sorry. But if you're interested in any of these things, just let me know and I will try to look it up and find it for you. I got some tongs for the kitchen. Oh, these are nice. These are real nice. Look at these. They're really well made. I have a pair of tongs, but not this size. They're smaller. Nice. I like that. Okay. Keep digging. Let me pull that out. Do you guys have a Keurig? We have a Keurig. And we have a one of these filter cups like this that we got from Keurig. And then I saw where you could get a pack of 3. I'm going to be straight up honest with you. This doesn't feel as sturdy as the Keurig brand, but it feels nice. I mean, it's good. So there's a pack of 3. The Keurig cups. I will let you know if I have a problem with these. If I don't say anything, that means they're working just fine. There we go. What is this? I don't know what that is. I'll open that up in a minute. Oh, this. Look how cute. Makeup sponges. This is more up our alley. I didn't get a lot of beauty or anything like that. I just tried to get a mixture of things, or things I thought I would use. Look how cute. I guess that's to cleanse. Look, it's got a little face. And then 3 sponges. No smell. Yeah, no smell. Well, these are cute. Cute, cute, cute. I like those. Alright. What do we got here? Oh, this look cute. This is a stand to hold makeup brushes, or any kind of brushes. I had one larger than this for my art brushes at one point. But yeah, I'll have to put that together. see here real quick. There we go. Okay. Well, that was exciting, wasn't it? This is for your desk. I thought it'd be great for makeup. Put it back here on my makeup table. Guys, I haven't touched up my makeup today. It's the end of the day. I wanted to get this video out to you. So, sorry I didn't touch up my makeup. This is cute. Look at this. Got these cute drawers. There we go. And there's the top. I like that. That'll hold some goodies. Alright. I have a lot of craft items, so I'm kind of pulling those out. And we'll look at those last. Especially if you're not into craft items. Okay. I thought I ordered some jewelry. Yeah, here we go. My goodness. I didn't realize how many craft items I ordered. Okay. Alright. Ordered some pens. I thought there was more in the pack than 3. But I got 3 pens. And they look like they would write kind of tie-dye looking. I don't know. Let's see. There we go. You see, hide my face. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, they're pens. If you have a preteen or a teen, they might really like those. Yeah, okay. And then I ordered this necklace. It's a necklace and earring set. It is not as nice as I thought it would be, but that's okay because I didn't really order this to wear. To be very truthful, I didn't expect to wear this. The earrings I really like. These I ordered. They might look nice on camera, but I'm going to craft with them. It's got a little bit of a weight to it, but not much. I mean, it's nice. It's okay. Now, I ordered some butterfly stickers for like journaling. There we go. And then this is some scrapbook papers. I'm in the craft portion if you're not interested. So this is just some scrapbook paper. It's pretty paper. So I got that. I don't know what these little... I ordered a bunch of these. I think they're paper. They are like little tags and stuff you can use in scrapbooking or for whatever. So I got, here's another one. This one has mushrooms. I don't know if you can see that or not. Just little mushroom things. And I got more butterfly stickers. And then I got 4 packs of these. And it's just little papers for scrapbooking. That's what I got them for. It's Pocket Little Book. That's what it says. So this one is, well, it doesn't give it a name. I'm going to use it for scrapbooking. So there's that one. I've got this one. Pocket Little Book. There we go. And again, it's just got these little pages I'm going to use for scrapbooking. That one, it was all in Asian writing. I'm not sure if it's Chinese, Korean, what. This one says wishes. It's just basically the same thing, just these little pictures. And then the last one is keeping. And there a lot, I can tell a lot are like the same pages. So there we go. Like I said, I just picked that out for scrapbooking. And then last, I got this box of washi tape. So let's see what this looks like. Here we go. Oh, no. I am happy with this one. Look at all these different washi tapes. Can you see? Those are nice. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 24 different rolls of washi tape. Beautiful. Now, when am I going to start scrapbooking again? Maybe by Christmas. Nice. So I got the washi tape, these little books, this little pad of paper, these 2 little pads of I don't know, this is just for scrapbooking, and then these butterflies. I'm happy with them. I knew these little things were little and when I ordered them, so I'm not unhappy with those things. Let me put them back in my bag here. And then I'm very happy with makeup sponges. This necklace, like I said, I will be crafting with that. I wasn't expecting or planning on wearing it. These earrings are really nice. These pens are okay, but that's okay. It'll be fun to play with. The water bottle seems nice. This, after I figured out how to put it together, this is really nice. I'm going to use it for my brushes. Be great for drying your brushes, by the way. And then these seem nice, and tongs, and then the shelves or the little container here. So I think it's a pretty good haul, a pretty good amount of things, and really nothing. The necklace, the rhinestone necklace is cheap, feels cheapy, but it does have a little bit of weight to it. It's not that bad. I mean, you could wear it. I just didn't buy it to wear. I bought it to craft with, but those earrings seemed really nice. I do have an order for some more items that I'm purchasing for myself. When they come, I'll do a little haul for you and show you. I have purchased earlier, and like I said, and I got a rug for my my laundry room that I really like, and I was shocked. It's really nice. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you are interested in any of these items, I will try to find them for you, the links. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.